morning, everyone. Where's the camera? Okay, it's over here. Sorry, guys. So I ordered these storage containers for my sweaters. They're supposed to be, you know, the moth-proof, bug-proof containers, dust-proof. And I cannot find the box they came in. So for some reason, I threw that away. And so I will go back online and put on the description box what I bought. And so if you are interested, you can take a look on Amazon and see what your thoughts are. But there's different sizes. So, and what I like about these is they have a clear top to them. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Here's the handle. They have handles on each side, and then they have a clear top, so you can see what is in there. And I don't know if these are all the same size or not. It looks like they are. These are, I love these. I like this material here. Yeah, it looks like they're the same size. This looks like very, very sturdy material. Nothing's getting in that. And they have the zipper, and then here's the clear window. So let's get started. Let's pack up these sweaters. The only thing that I wish it did have, and I'm actually thinking about, I have some extra boxes. Making the bottom more flat, because these are soft bottoms. I think it would be a little bit easier if they had the cardboard in them. However, if they did, then when it's fall and winter time, I would have a harder time probably storing these. So before I say I wish it did, let's just, let's see how this goes first. So let's move this.